Hi guys, it's Tasha Black and I'm so excited to introduce you to my brand new YouTube channel. Fantastic stuff. So what will we be doing? Well, as you may already know, I am pretty much addicted to pantyhose, PVC, latex, any material that can show off my curves. And now I want to show you guys. What we'll be doing is a series of different try-on videos, different reviews, letting you know a little bit about what brands I really love, what colors, what materials, different ways that you can kind of build your wardrobe to, you know, mirror some of the style inspirations that I have and that I use for my content. So let's get started. For today, I'm very excited to share with you guys, very excited to share with you guys these brand new Wolford pantyhose that I just received from one of my fantastic fans. Oh, by the way, before I forget, like, comment, subscribe. It's all there. Make sure that you take care of it. I don't want to have to come chasing you. We have our Wolford pantyhose. Very beautiful stuff. We're brand new. I haven't opened the box, nothing like that. So, do you want to see? I know you want to see. So what I love about Wolford, right? Just to get into the brand and why do I always purchase their pantyhose in particular? What I love about Wolford, it's like the packaging, it's the luxury. It literally says exceptional European skinwear on the box. Like, what else do you think you're gonna pull out, you know? So let's open it up. So do you guys have like a favorite pantyhose brand that you like or color? Because there's so many different colors. Oh my god, do you see these? Guys, do you see these? Look, this is crazy. Oh my god. And so, okay, so it's 20 Denier. I'm from New York, don't ask me to pronounce it. It's 20 denier. Basically, when you say that term, what you're describing is the thickness of the fibers. So each individual thread, each individual nylon thread that goes through, right, those pantyhose have a certain type of thickness. The higher that the thickness is, the more opaque, so the less sheer, the less you'll be able to see, and all around, like, the more resistant to tear. And you see how sharp my nails are. You should know. All kinds of things that the pantyhose will be. With that in mind, if you want something that is gonna last a little bit longer, maybe let's say it's Valentine's Day, you have a big event coming up and a marathon of sorts, and you really need those pantyhose to last, then you want something with a higher thread count, a higher denier. These are only 20, so you'll still be able to see my skin through them, but it won't be as sheer as maybe like 5 or 10, which I'll show you today anyway, so don't worry, just stay tuned. Do you guys want to see me in these pantyhose? I think it's like time to put them on, right? Yeah, I really like them. These are so beautiful. Guys, like, can you please just look at this? Look at this. They're absolutely gorgeous. Like, you could just see, this is what I was talking about. Even though like the fibers are pretty thick, like they're 20 denier, you could still see right through them. Yeah, you could still see right through them. I love that. I love that. Like, that's what I look for in a pair of pantyhose. If you get in close, like you can see how seamless it is in comparison to like my skin. It's just the perfect fit. It's a perfect color, and the texture is so soft and silky. Guys, you wouldn't even believe like how good it feels. You know, like you see how shapely it is, like around my calves, because my calves are really muscular, right? Like really shapely. And what I like is you still get like that nice look, because these are matte tights, like these are matte nylon stockings, so you could still get like a lot of the definition in my legs even though you have the pantyhose on, which I think just says like how nice and how high quality like these tights are. That's incredible. That's incredible. And especially if you're looking for something in like any complexion, you know, like any color, you'd be able to find like just the perfect thing, like the perfect gift, like for anybody. I know you'd love to like touch these. You would so want to feel them. Like you'd be so into touching them. Like you could even see like my pedicure like through the stockings still. That's how sheer they are, even though the fiber is so thick. And you know that there's like no chance that this is gonna tear. I showed you guys earlier. Even though it's still so sheer, that's crazy. This pair is a little bit darker, first of all. This is called Mocha, where the first one that I showed you was Cocoa. Here's some other differences other than just like the color and the darkness and stuff like that. This is why like I love Wolford so much, because they pay attention to those little details. So if you notice, these are definitely a touch shinier. Like the way that they cascade light, you see my thighs, right? The way they cascade light on my thighs is definitely very different from that first one. If you notice on this pair, it's even more defined, right? It's even shinier. It's a more dramatic look, right? It's a more dramatic look. It's like I'm a rockette. So if you see, right, it's so much shinier. Even the indent in my calf, so much shinier than with that first pair, right? You could really appreciate like all of my legs. So like, let's say that you're on camera, you know, let's say that you're on camera, that you have an event to go to or something like that, you know, when you really want to look, right, you could see all the muscles in my calves so much nicer, with so much more definition than that first pair. Let's say that you're going to an event, you know, you want to look really nice, you want everyone to see your outfit, you want everyone to see those gorgeous shiny legs. Or let's say that you're on stage. I'm oftentimes on stage and you want to make sure that things really show up. You want to get that nice pop, and these tights give that to you. So as you can see, it's still 20 denier, right? So the sheerness hasn't changed at all from that first pantyhose that I showed you, from the Cocoa, right? It's just Wolford. You can even see the shine like on my calf, like just straight up on my shins. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. And they're just as soft. I think that the first tights, like the matte 20s, are maybe slightly softer, just to, you know, maybe have like a slightly better feel. But what's important to notice with this is that, you know, it really gives you that feeling of like showgirl, just like perfect legs, you know. Perfect legs, that nice shine. Look at that, that's camera ready. The last thing that I wanted to show you guys, now that you've had an opportunity to compare and contrast, see the differences between us, the same brand of pantyhose, really, right? Same exact brand of pantyhose, but just to see the differences, if you are buying a certain type of pantyhose versus the other. Same denier, same brand, everything. But you can get these really nice subtleties that just make all the difference, especially when it comes time for your outfit. So lastly, I just wanted you guys to see what this particular pair of pantyhose look like now with my outfit. So as you can see, you know, it's pretty much perfect. It's like a nice soft look. It goes wonderful with the black leather skirt, which I'll also more than likely be doing a review on pretty soon. I love leather, of course. And I mean, doesn't it just like go together like so seamlessly with like these suede boots? You know, it's just a beautiful look, and it really emphasizes my legs in a nice way. And as I said, with the 20 denier, the fantastic thing is that even though it looks totally sheer, you would absolutely never know that, you know, I could pull it like with my fingernails and still get it to stay together. So that means that like whenever you're ready for your night out or your next big occasion, you definitely want to try out a 20 denier pair of Wolford pantyhose. So, I mean, I just love these pantyhose. I love these pantyhose. I love this brand. And I don't want you guys to think that like Wolford is like paying me or something. I want them to pay me. If they're watching, please, let's go. Have you seen these legs? It's a really reputable women's lingerie brand, women's hosiery brand, and their pantyhose cannot be beat. I mean, you're not gonna get a silhouette like this anywhere else. So I hope that you guys can join me next week, because I'll be trying on one of my favorite materials, which is a beautiful latex outfit that I just got from Libidex, one of my favorite EK brands. Please guys, again, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Again, follow me. There's more information in the info box below if you want to stay in touch with some of my other platforms as well. And check out some of these other pantyhose try-on videos that I'm going to be releasing very soon. Thanks.